In this video, I'll show you how to pair your Sony WF-C510 and WF-C700N earbuds with your PC Windows computer. So let's get started. First step, make sure both of them are inserted in the case. Close the lid, then open the lid. And on the back, you're going to notice there is a button. We need to press this button until the light on the front is flashing blue. So let's do it together. I'm pressing the button. Take a look at the light. Okay, it's flashing blue. I can release my finger from the button. Place them aside your laptop or computer, Windows computer, with the lid open. And on the Windows PC, this is Windows 11, but it works with Windows 10 and other ones. What we need to do? Well, first of all, you may see this screen appearing telling you, hey, there is an AirPods, there are some earbuds trying to connect. Do you want? If you see this, press connect and you will be done. But what if you don't see this message? Let's say it didn't appear. Well, then you need to press on the small arrow over here. So we see the Bluetooth icon. Maybe the Bluetooth icon for you is already present. Click on it. Oops. All right. Once you're over here, click on Add a Bluetooth device. Then click on Add device. Select the first one, Bluetooth. And you're going to see your earbuds appearing in this list over here. Click on them and it will start connecting. And this is about it. Now it says connected, mic and audio, press done, and you can start watching Netflix, music and other stuff with them right away. Put them in your ears, they will work. If in the future you want to erase them from your PC computer, maybe you have an issue with them, maybe, I don't know why you will do this, but anyway, if you want to remove them from your PC forever, go back in this Bluetooth menu, click the three dots on the right side, and click on Remove Device. You'll need to pair them again if you want to use them in the future after doing this. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.